Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your friend Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks. Okay, let's get into our tutorial. Okay guys, here we have our SolidWorks. Now I'm just starting with a new part model. Now I'm taking the top plane, and here we have our image to be drawn in the drawing. And just by having a look, you can observe that it's easy to draw, and we can just judge that it can be drawn in just two features. One will be like the bottom one extrude feature, and the one the side view, this cross section, then following the same extrude features. Okay, let's start with the first base plane. Okay, here we have our top plane. I'm going to start with rectangular or just a sketch, it's enough. First I'm going to draw this 50 mm. Or else I will just give dimension as a whole at the end. I'm just drawing that section. Making this down. Sorry. Okay, now I'm giving the dimensions, and this we have 50 mm. This vertical length we have as 25 mm, 25, and the inner one as it's given as 12 mm. This one again 25, and the third part they haven't given, but they have given indirectly, like it should be supposed to be 25 because the whole length is given as 75, and already we have minus the 25 and 25, so balance we have 25. So I'm just giving this as 25 too. Okay, now the whole length you can see that it's exactly equal to 75. It's overdriven, it's okay now, right? And this length we have as 51. It's supposed to be 50, but unfortunately it's coming as 51. There should be some error or something. Okay, because I'm just deleting this, because this one we have given as 12, but this one we didn't do anything. So I'm just giving this 2 as 12. And now we can observe that here we have 50. Okay, now I'm going to extrude this base to a length of 12 mm. Okay, we are done with the base part, and now we are moving to the second feature, this cross section. So I'm just taking this plane, perpendicular plane, and going to draw this cross section. Here we have a height of 25 mm vertical and 20 mm horizontal, and this length they haven't given, but indirectly they have given like it's joining at the point where it's 20 mm offset from this edge. So I'm just starting with this 25 mm vertical length. I'm just drawing the overall shape. Okay, now I'm just giving the smart field dimensions. It's supposed to be 25, and this one is supposed to be 20. and this length it's supposed to be 20. So here we have this exact cross section of this feature. And now since we haven't closed this geometry, we wouldn't be able to do extrude. So in order to close that, I'm just closing this open surface, and now I'm giving extrude feature, the opposite direction, and it has been extruded to 25 mm. Yeah. Okay. Here we have exact thing that we have on the left screen. We'll just have a look on isometric view. There we are. Okay guys, thank you.
Okay guys, thanks for being here for this tutorial. Catch you all in the next session. We would really be happy if given a like to this video and to subscribe to our channel if not given. Also, please do share this video with your friends and do put your valuable suggestions below in the comment section. It really means a lot to us. Thank you.